So second one on that list, Tesla, market cap of $30 billion, current price of sales of 7.5. Sean, you know the industrials and car manufacturing space a little bit better than I do. You want to take this one?
I do. Currently not profitable. Tesla, as you mentioned, has a market cap of about 30. It's actually 29 billion. This $30 billion market cap has made everyone's favorite Iron Man-like billionaire Elon Musk. Put him on the Forbes list with a net worth of $8, $9, $10 billion, all basically on the backs of the success of the Model S, which, of course, is actually broken all records in terms of quality by car and driver. They got the first perfect rating. And future growth. And this relates to, one, the Model X, which is going to come out next year, and that's got those hip, cool Falcon wing doors. Have you ever seen those?
No.
I'm going to show you photos later, and you're like, what? Like... Supposedly it saves space. Anybody that's curious, go to Google Images, type in Tesla Model X, and you'll see what I'm talking about. It also protects you from the rain. And really the big enchilada is actually not a big enchilada at all. It's actually rather small. It's their smaller version, and it's going to be the Model 3. It's going to come out in 2017. We'll get to see a model of it next year. And it's going to be priced at about $35,000, which is surprisingly reasonable for a Tesla.
Yeah, by their standards, that's like mid-market.
And it's $35,000. Believe it or not, analysts are surprisingly bullish on the potential profits to be had with the release of the mass market Model 3. I couldn't believe this, and you're a shareholder, correct me if I'm wrong.
I am,
so you tell me if you buy into this, but they're supposed to earn like $8, $9 per share by 2019. Wow.
It's ambitious.
What?
I'd love to see it.
Okay. Elon Musk is supposedly going to take a less active role once the Model 3 is out there and rolling. Mm-hmm. If the company were to be sold, it would actually be after that point. Given Musk's actual lack of interest in actually making money, which sounds crazy for a billionaire, I just don't see this happening.
Yeah, I think it's a tough sell for a lot of reasons. I mean, you look at market cap alone, so they're currently trading somewhere that would give them like a $30 billion market cap.
Yeah.
You think about the premium that Apple would have to pay on top of that to be able to take the shares off the market.
It'd be crazy.
We're
talking $50, $60 billion.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Easily. And another thing to keep in mind here is the margin profile for the automotive industry is totally different than the margin profile for consumer tech, right?
On top of that, Apple's already designing their own car, supposedly. So I don't know. Would they just buy it for the technology, which is arguably awesome? I don't know.
Yeah. And the speculation with the Apple car is like, is it something that, do they want to get into the actual nuts and bolts of making cars, or do they just want to provide the in-car platform that people would use? And then we still don't really know what those ambitions look like. But again, like they have their own initiative in place, and Tesla would be an extremely expensive acquisition for them.
You hear all those rumors too about Tesla stealing employees from Apple all the time. You're like, hi guys, we just bought you. Welcome back.
Oh, there's Jim again. Look at that.
Okay.
Something like that.
Not likely, but fun to think about.